I ain't got a clue, bro.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own quarter and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoe on my feet, I bought it. The clothes I'm wearing, I bought it. The rock I'm rocking, I bought it. Cause I depend on me. If I want it, the watch I'm wearing, I bought it. The house I live in, I bought it. The car I'm driving, I bought it. I depend on me, I depend on me. All the women independent, all your hands up at me. All the honeys making money, all your hands up at me. All the mamas dropping dollars, all your hands up at me.
So babes, sorry for the quality of the camera. I'm using my front camera. My hair is still damp. I still have water. So I wanted to air dry.
There's a time and a place for all this. This is not the place.
Please comment down below like products for natural hair, like moisturizer, and this one I love it so much. And I love this hydrating mist from Native Child. It is amazing, and I put it on my hand because I got a moisturizer. See, consistent, I think, moisturizer. So
Is there a reason why you're saying all this? And can we talk about it later? I've gotta right my wrongs. With you is where I belong. You've been down from the go. Recognition's what you want, and it's something that I should know. Something that I should know. All the things that you went through, girl, I never meant to put you through it twice, no. Tell me, how can I right my wrongs? There's something that I should.
So right now I'm going to use this Afro Pig. Prepare to see hair flying everywhere.
All the things that we've been through, girl, I never meant to put you through it twice, no, no. But it later.
Can't stay away,
motivating me. Like, I want to record 24/7, but I don't know what to record. The maintenance videos, or maybe it's because I feel really like the maintenance video. I have started doing that. Yeah, whole level up content taking a go just to have a grasp of what do viewers love to see. When you see someone, you enjoy their YouTube videos, and when you come to yourself, you start to be discouraged because quality. You're like, oh, on a camera, not on a camera. Look at quality of video, yeah, high, and look at mine. Love that certain YouTuber, and every time I watched her videos, like when I wanted to record my videos, I would be so discouraged because the quality of camera, how I edit my videos, and I don't know what was happening that night, but I decided to scroll go to videos. I will create a video and record on my phone, and I was like, what were you saying, all of it? What were you thinking? What were you thinking? What were you saying to yourself? If she can do it, you can do it. So, record. Go and record. And the comparison, everyone in the comments was like, wow. The comparison from then to where she is at now. Beautiful. And it's not about jealous. It's just me. I'm like, Malati. Look at your quality. Look at your what. Look at. That is not okay. So that is why now I record, and I'm using my front camera. I know what is not perfect and all of that, but I'm using what I have. And if you wanted to start a YouTube channel, use what you have. And don't use it. The record. The recorder. Or ShopRite, the recorder, or clicks, or Discam, or Kumakuleng. No, not Kumakuleng, but Tobago. Yo, what? Just record yourself. So, yep. My goal is to get monetized by next year. This time next year, I want to be monetized. And I know we can get there, so please subscribe, watch my videos from start to end, comment and like and subscribe and turn on post notifications because we can do this. We can do this. Get into it. So subscribe, like, wait till you press a screen. Atini, don't know. Like, please. Thank you for those who liked and subscribed. Stop having a situationship. Let's have a friendship, my loves. Subscribe, and let's grow. I have so many plans for when we are monetized and we are at the stage where I can help like other YouTubers who are starting, because I wouldn't mind, Shamite. I would not mind to help and small business owners. I would not mind. So let's subscribe. Let's grow together. Let's subscribe. We are done. So, update on my socials. This is my Instagram, loves. Follow. I'm gonna be posting a lot of behind the scenes on my stories. I've started posting pila. So follow.